Open banking is revolutionizing the financial industry across the globe. In this video, we'll explore how different regions worldwide have adopted and implemented open banking practices, highlighting Europe, North America, Asia, and emerging trends in Africa and Latin America. Section 1. Europe's leadership in open banking. Regulatory framework and innovation. Europe has set the global benchmark for open banking with its progressive policies and robust regulatory frameworks. The Modified Payment Services Directive, PSD2, is a key driver, mandating banks to open their payment services and customer data to third-party providers upon customer consent. This policy aims to increase competition and consumer choice within the financial services industry, catalyzing a wave of innovation and new business models across Europe. Consumer sovereignty and data sharing. At the heart of Europe's open banking evolution is the enhancement of consumer sovereignty over personal financial data. By securely enabling consumers to share their financial data with third-party providers, open banking dismantles the traditional monopolies banks hold on financial services and information. This has led to the development of new services that provide consumers with better deals, more tailored advice, and a more holistic view of their finances. Collaborations and financial ecosystem. Open banking has stimulated the financial ecosystem in Europe, encouraging collaborations between traditional banks and fintech startups. This collaboration has spurred the development of cutting-edge financial technology applications, ranging from automated financial advice and budgeting tools to more efficient payment systems that operate seamlessly across different banking platforms. Standardization and security. A key factor in Europe's success is the robust regulatory framework provided by PSD2, which sets the standards for secure data sharing and establishes liability frameworks for unauthorized access. The Berlin Group, consisting of banks, payment service providers, and fintech firms, has been pivotal in creating standardized APIs, ensuring compatibility and ease of integration across different financial systems. This standardization reduces costs and complexity for new entrants and fosters a safer environment for innovation. Challenges and ongoing efforts. Despite the progress, Europe's diverse financial landscape presents challenges in implementing a standardized regulatory approach across all member states. Different countries have varying levels of digital readiness and economic habits, affecting the adoption and impact of open banking services. Ongoing debates about data privacy and the commercial use of personal data continue to shape the regulatory environment and public perception. Section 2. North America's growing adoption, technological advancements, and innovation. North America, particularly the United States and Canada, is gradually embracing open banking, driven by the region's robust technological landscape and innovation culture. Silicon Valley continues to be a global hub for technological advancements, with significant growth in cloud computing, AI, and machine learning across various industries. E-commerce and digital payments. The adoption of e-commerce and digital payment solutions has accelerated in North America, fueled by a growing online consumer base and the global health crisis. Retailers have rapidly adopted online sales platforms and contactless payment methods to meet consumer expectations and ensure business continuity. This change has spurred innovations in digital marketing, supply chain logistics, and consumer data analytics, sustainability, and healthcare innovations. North America is also witnessing significant advancements in sustainability and healthcare. The rise of electric vehicles and investments in renewable energy sources reflect a commitment to environmental sustainability. In healthcare, the adoption of telehealth services and AI-driven diagnostic tools is transforming patient care, enhancing accessibility and personalization. Challenges and infrastructure development. Despite the advancements, North America faces challenges such as cybersecurity, data privacy, and the digital divide. Ensuring equitable access to technological benefits, particularly in rural or underserved areas, remains critical. Policymakers and industry leaders must collaborate to enhance digital infrastructure, strengthen cybersecurity measures, and promote digital literacy. Section 3. Asia's unique approach and innovations. Technology, integration, and mobile payments. Asia has emerged as a hub of innovation and technology, seamlessly integrating new technologies into everyday life. Countries like China lead the world in mobile commerce, with platforms like Alipay and WeChat Pay transforming everyday transactions into simple, seamless digital experiences. Robotics and AI. Asia's unique demographic challenges, such as large populations and rapidly aging societies, have spurred innovations in robotics and AI. Japan, for example, has pioneered robotic technology to address labor shortages and provide care for its elderly population. These innovations are integrated across various sectors, showcasing a model where technology complements human labor. Transportation and sustainable practices. Asian countries have also been trailblazers in transportation, with significant investments in high-speed rail technology and sustainable urban initiatives. Countries like South Korea and China have set new standards in efficient and sustainable transportation, which many countries worldwide seek to emulate. Local insights and digital strategies. Asia's tech landscape is characterized by its approach to the internet and e-commerce, with companies tailoring their digital strategies to cater to diverse and tech-savvy consumer bases. For example, India's digital landscape is bustling with startups innovating around local needs and conditions, offering services in regional languages, and creating products suited for the varied market. Challenges and regulatory environments. Despite advancements, Asia faces challenges such as varying regulatory environments and issues like internet censorship and surveillance. These factors impact the region's innovation landscape, requiring businesses to navigate complex operational and ethical challenges. Section 4. Emerging trends in Africa and Latin America. Mobile banking and financial inclusion. Africa and Latin America are experiencing a surge of innovative trends shaping their economies and societies. In Africa, mobile banking and fintech solutions have enabled financial inclusion at an unprecedented scale. Companies like M-Pesa in Kenya allow users to perform transactions directly from their mobile phones, spurring economic activity and entrepreneurship. Digital banks and e-commerce. In Latin America, fintech innovations like digital banks are transforming the financial landscape. Digital platforms such as Nubank in Brazil challenge traditional banks by offering lower-cost services and user-friendly interfaces. This shift towards digitalization reflects broader trends in online services ranging from shopping to healthcare. Sustainable agricultural practices. Both regions are adopting technology-powered sustainable agricultural practices. Startups leverage AI and satellite imagery to provide farmers with precise information about weather patterns, soil health, and crop viability. These advancements promote efficient resource use and higher crop yields, crucial in regions vulnerable to climate change. Renewable energy initiatives. The energy industry in Africa and Latin America is also transforming, with growing investments in renewable energy sources like solar and wind. Countries like Morocco and South Africa in Africa and Brazil and Chile in Latin America are leading the way in harnessing their natural resources sustainably. Digital education and e-learning. Digital education and e-learning have emerged as critical trends, especially highlighted by the COVID-19 pandemic. Platforms like Aniza Education in Africa and various online learning platforms in Latin America offer lessons and courses, helping to bridge the education gap and prepare citizens for a more digital economy. Challenges and infrastructure development. Despite the promising trends, challenges such as infrastructure development, regulatory environments, and technological access remain significant. Both regions need improved internet connectivity to facilitate the widespread adoption of digital solutions. Policymakers must balance modernization with preserving local cultures and practices to ensure the benefits of innovation reach all societal layers. Open banking is transforming global finance through regulations, technology, and innovation. Europe leads with strong regulations, North America focuses on tech innovation, Asia integrates technology into daily life, and Africa and Latin America drive financial inclusion. This evolution promises greater accessibility, transparency, and consumer empowerment, fostering competition and innovation. Collaboration between financial institutions and fintechs will enable efficient, secure, and user-friendly services. Open banking empowers consumers with control over their financial data, offering innovative, tailored financial products and shaping a connected and inclusive global financial ecosystem.